if he didn't get up, he would lose his class.
Lose his class.
Lose.
Yeah. Huh? Lose his class, Celine?
Just means
Watch
here's the
this.
class. Right?
I know what you mean. But watch this, Celine. Look at my money. Oh, I lost my money. Oh, I lost my money. Huh? Do you mean to tell me that your brother lost his class?
No.
Watch this. Wait,
it-
Celine. Let me show you something, okay? Let me show you something. I'm Celine's brother. This is my class. Oh, I lost my class. Oh. So did he lose the class? Be careful, Celine. We talk about lose for things that we can hold and they go missing. Oh, I lost my pen. Here's my pen. Oh, what happened? I lost my pen. Yes?
Yeah.
Good. But look, Celine. Watch this. Hey, Johnny. Stay here. I'm going for a swim. Shh. Johnny, where are you? What happened? What happened, Celine?
He has lost.
Yeah. So say, teacher, you lost Johnny.
Teacher, you lost Johnny.
There you go. So you see, we use, so we use lose for things we can hold and they go missing. Oh, no. So look, for example, what's this? It's my wallet. Yes, it's my wallet. Look, it's my wallet. Oh, what happened?
You lost your
wallet. Yes?
Yes.
Now look. Let me show you this picture. Okay? Celine. And you tell me what's happening. What's happening to this person, okay? Look at this. Did this person... Oh, no. Hold on, Celine. Sorry, 1 second. Let me show you this picture, okay? Sorry. Hold on. This one is perfect. Celine, did this person... He needs to go to school, Celine. This person needs to go to school. No! What happened?
He lost his bus.
He lost the bus? Oh, look at my bus. Where's my bus? He lost the bus? So be careful. Lose only for things that we can hold and go missing.
So it's miss. He missed.
Yeah, good job. When do we say miss? When we lose an opportunity. Yes? So lose when we lose things. When we lose an opportunity, what do we say?
Miss.
Good job. So what happened? He
missed his bus.
Good job. Very good, Celine. Celine, you're very smart, okay? And Celine, let's practice, okay?
Okay.
My keys. Lose or miss?
Lose.
Good job. Say, you lost your keys.
You lost your keys.
Good job. The bus. Lose or miss?
You missed your bus.
Good job. Good job. I can't find Celine. Oh, where's Celine? Where's Celine?
You lost Celine. because there's another Celine. Not only.
Not me. Not me. Say it's a different Celine. It's a different Celine. It's not me. Celine, where are you, Celine? Where are you? I'm joking. Say it's a different Celine, teacher.
It's a different Celine, teacher.
Good. Now look. My class. Miss or lose?
Miss.
Good job. Money.
You lost your money.
Very good. And airplane.
You missed your airplane.
Good job. And maybe don't say you missed your airplane. It's my fault. You missed your flight. Yeah? You missed your flight. Yes?
Yeah.
Good. And look. You have a dentist appointment. You have a dentist appointment. What is a dentist?
Miss.
Yeah, good job. So, you see the difference, Celine?
Yeah.
There you go. There you go. There you go. Good job, Celine.